I also want to show you how to make a new blog post. And so I'm going to go to Posts, Add New. Now, unfortunately, it pulls up the Gutenberg page builder, and I prefer to use the old word processor type classic editor. So if you followed the tutorial, you probably have under plugins the classic editor. You just might not have a way of selecting that. So under your settings, writing, you'll see that there is the default editor is set to block editor, and allow users to switch editors I'm going to set to yes. I guess I'll still let it default go to the block, but now I can at least edit the post under the classic. So if you just want classic, then you would just do that as the default. So I save that, and then I go to my post. I'm going to add a new post. The title is going to be titled New Practice Post, and I'm just going to publish a blank page because this is in the Gutenberg page builder. Now when I go to my posts, under all posts, you see, aha, edit with classic editor. Now I'm going to open that up.
Now this is, so here's a heading. Heading 1, wow. And then I'm going to put in some text here. Maybe 2 paragraphs. Maybe put in a second heading here. Actually, this one should be H2, because your title will be the H1, and this will be H2 as well.
Alright, so I made my blog post, and you can even add a photo in here. You would say you want to add some media, add media. Say you wanted to add this guy here, and you adjust how it looks. And then you need to set the featured image so it shows up in your blog page. So over here on the side, we have down at the bottom, set featured image, and I'll select that one. Okay, great. Let's update that. And now when I go to my page that we created for the blog, new blog view, you'll see you have here's the featured image, here's the title, here's the first, teaser. When you go to it, the actual post, you see what you made in the classic editor. Looks pretty good, and as far as Gutenberg, I'm not going to get into that, but for now I'll just do the classic editor, and as Gutenberg improves, we'll probably roll out some of those too.